The photographers, please. We are doing a long walk, so you have to. We are taking the picture, go ahead of us.
Come on, get ahead, exactly.
Don't take it from behind. So you go ahead of us so that you take it from the front. Agu! Amen. We are in the forest. Kakum rainforest. So as we are here, it can rain at any time. When it is raining, don't worry. We are also doing a walking by climbing a hill. So small exercise today that we are going to do here. Even though the weather is cool, but we are going to sweat because the forest is humid. So we will sweat. Okay? I want you to take time and walk on your own pace. Don't rush, don't run, because we have young ones among us who can run faster. So we need to walk slowly on our own pace. My name is Samuel. My Ghanaian name is Kwabena. If you want to call me Kwabena, I will like the Kwabena more than the Samuel.
Kwabena?
Kwabena, that is Tuesday born.
Kwabena.
Kwabena. We are in the pharmacy shop, supermarket, which is the forest. This is our life here, we have to protect it. So just in case you need any medicine, and you know you can get some in your country there, wherever you are coming from, if you tell me, I will show you how they are. So this is a pharmacy shop, supermarket. Okay, and so we are walking now. We have to be a little bit slow walk so that we don't fall. Okay, so we go. Oh, the old people, if you were here earlier, you would have joined those people ahead. So we are going to walk slow. If you wouldn't mind, you join us. We are not running. No. I've got some old people behind it. You see that girl there? Yeah, you do. So let's go. Okay, let's go. They will join us. They will join us. So let's go.
And thus the walk begins.
Yeah, that's the one.
You might see an elephant size.
Yeah, me too. Petting her mouth. Why do you want me to go forward?
You've done this walk before, right?
It's in the back of your brain. Should I?
I want to talk about the bamboo. Bamboo is not from Africa, but from Asia. But you see a lot of them, more of them in Ghana, in our forest. But this is secondary forest. Here has been cut down before and it's regrowing back itself. So bamboo was able to grow here. But in the main forest, you cannot find bamboo. In the main forest, which is the part of the Garden of Eden that we are having here, you cannot find bamboo. And you know bamboo, I want to talk about the shooting one coming. It's edible. You can eat this one, it's like a yam. You take it, cook it, and then you boil it and eat. Yes. If you don't want to have diabetes, you eat bamboo shoot. If you already have the diabetes, you want to cure it, please. The dead leaves is for diabetes. These brown ones are for diabetes. The green ones here is for malaria fever. Malaria. Don't leave this one and go and buy medicine, please.
So the brown ones.
The brown one, you boil it and you drink it.
Okay.
Like tea. You kill all the sugar from your body.
Where's my bag?
Oh,
When you pick it
nature.
If you want to cure it completely, hello, Agu. If you want to cure diabetes completely, get the dry plantain leaves. Dry plantain leaves, put it under the saucepan and add this one on top and boil it. All the diabetes in you, all the sugar that you think you have eaten sugar that you have them in your blood is going to go away. Well, nobody ate sugar to have diabetes. All the food that we have been eating is full of glucose.
Yes.
That is why. If it is from the family, that's why you have to manage it by taking this one every day. So that's why I cannot do away with it from your body, because it's from the family. So we are climbing up slowly, okay? Pharmacy shop, supermarket, everything here, the frog body are uses. That is why our forefathers, they were using them all the time and they were not getting sick. But we don't like them, so we get sick every day. That is all.